In this video, I'm going to show you how to capture the audio of your browser completely free of charge. So all you need is to start by opening a fresh tab. You can come to the top right over here with these three dots. You can click, come to extensions, and you can say visit Chrome Web Store, and it will bring you over here. So you can just go ahead and search for Chrome Audio Capture. Just like so. You see it over here, the first option. You click on this. You can just go ahead and add it to your Chrome extension. I've already installed on mine, so no need. So you can just see it, add it to your extension. Let's have an example of how it is being done to capture audio. All right, so once you click here, go to start capture, and you can come over here. Let's play the audio. Global GPT, just like this, and hit on enter. You can see it over here. Global GPT, free AI tools, all in one access, okay, to ChatGPT, Midjourney. Okay, so once you're done, you come back here and say save capture, and it will stop, and it will just encode the process very fast. You have the option to save it as a file with just a date, or you can give it a name by just clicking here. You can say trial 2, for example, and just hit on save, and you have your file recorded. You can play it to have a preview. Global GPT, just like this, and hit on enter. You can see it over here. Global GPT, free AI tools, all in one access. Okay. You can see the quality, and it picked in everything without any noise or any background disturbance where they're about. If you find this helpful, please leave a like.